In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the transmission type in a Facebook Marketplace vehicle listing. Facebook Marketplace has become an invaluable tool for buying and selling a variety of items, including vehicles. However, navigating its interface might sometimes seem daunting, especially when trying to edit specific details like the transmission type in a vehicle listing. Let's dive in and simplify this process step by step. First, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Facebook account. Once you're comfortably logged in, look towards the left side of your screen and click on the Marketplace icon, a little storefront symbol. This will take you to the Facebook Marketplace homepage. Once you're on the Marketplace, you'll navigate to the Selling section. This area is specifically tailored to help you manage the items you've listed for sale, in this case, your vehicle listing. To find it, simply look for the sales option on the left-hand menu and click on it. Now that you're in the selling section, you should see a list of all the items you've put up for sale. To proceed, find the vehicle listing that you want to edit. Here's where it gets a bit interesting. Next to your listing, you'll notice three little dots. Go ahead and click on them. This will open up more options, giving you a chance to modify your listing details. Among the options that appear, you'll see one labeled Edit Listing. This is where the magic happens. Click on Edit Listing, and this will take you to the editing page for your vehicle listing. On the edit page, you are going to focus your attention on the category labeled Vehicles. Clicking on Vehicles allows you to modify details specific to your vehicle post. One such detail you can change is the transmission type. Once you're viewing the vehicle-specific options, you can begin editing various attributes. If, for example, your listing currently states an automatic transmission but you want to change it to manual, you can adjust that information here. At this stage, you're not just limited to the transmission type. You can also refine other vital details to make your listing more comprehensive. Feel free to update the model of your car, adjust the asking price to reflect current market trends, and craft a detailed, appealing description that highlights the best features of your vehicle. Remember, a well-detailed description can be the deciding factor for potential buyers. That's all it takes to edit and ensure your vehicle listing is accurate and appealing. We hope this tutorial made your life a little easier and helps you make the most out of your Facebook Marketplace experience. Stay tuned for more guides and happy selling.